Welcome to the Arch platform. My name is Taylor Murphy, and I'm one of the co-founders of Arch. Arch is the bridge between your customers' data and your code. I want to give you a quick demo of how the Arch platform works. Once you're logged into Arch, the first step you'll take is to pick which data sources you will be extracting data from. For this demo, we're going to use GitHub, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zendesk. After selecting those 4 sources, we'll be prompted to add tenants to our project. We added 4 already to this demo. Tenants are your customers from whom you're extracting data. Of course, you can also do any of these steps via our API. Because GitHub and HubSpot both enable users to authenticate via OAuth, you would have to prompt your customers to allow Arch to access their data. You can do this by using our UI component, which can embed into your application to guide users on how to authenticate. Once your users have authenticated, Arch will automatically extract and load the data into the Arch platform. You can specify how fresh you want the data, all the way up to a less than 1 minute freshness. Next, you can modify the data if needed. For one of our customers, we're going to have Arch automatically generate embeddings for GitHub issue descriptions. Arch will chunk the data, generate embeddings, write them to a separate table, and keep the embeddings in sync as new data arrives into the platform. On HubSpot, we hash the address to make our data more secure. We also make it easy to specify any SQL-based data transformation you want. Once the data is in Arch, you can access it however you wish. You can use SQL, GraphQL, or a REST API to access the data. Here we just connect to our Arch SQL endpoint and query the GitHub API. Then we use a SQL query to look for vectors similar to the word schema we vectorize to these numbers. Working with your customers' data is that easy if you have one common endpoint. Now you can get back to develop features to power amazing experiences in your product. Build delightful analytics applications, train bespoke machine learning models, or have an LLM interface with your data. Whatever you can imagine that's powered by data, Arch can help you make it a reality.